Hi, Kim Roble here, and today I'm reviewing some replacement parts for my Botvac. So I've been through a few Botvacs now, and I happen to love them, although they are hit or miss, and they tend to have issues like, the battery is wasted now, and you buy a new battery, and the battery just it's never the same. So this is going to be my third or fourth Botvac, but it's the first time I've tried the Coredy model. So I have a Coredy R500 right now. It's a little cheaper than the model I was buying before and doesn't have some of the bells and whistles, but it gets most of the job done. So hey, we'll see what happens, especially when the more expensive models I've been buying are done after a year anyway. So hey, if you're gonna spend $400 or $500 on one that's only good for a year, you might as well spend $200 on one that you don't get quite everything with, but it's the same amount of time. Anyway, I don't know, maybe it'll last longer. So I ordered this kit hoping to have nice clean replacement parts for my little Botvac. And it came with 6 of these little side brushes, which are really cool. And you know, it's got that little short brush right there. But these just kind of spiral around the side to sweep the dust into where the roller is and the suction happens. So these, perfect. It comes with the little sponge pads and the filters. And the filter has a little fabric tab on it to make it easy to pull out of the slot it's in. So you basically put the little sponge on the filter, all good. Nice quality, it looks really well made. The problem I ran into is, even though the manufacturer states that it fits my model, this is one of the filters from my model, one of the original name brand. And as you can see, it's too short, a lot too short. So it doesn't work. This way, it's too skinny. So it's skinnier and longer than the one I needed. So this will not work, and it will be going back. I'm disappointed by that because I need some parts from my Botvac to clean my floor. But besides that, it looks like really well-made stuff. I mean, it's high quality for what you're looking for, but it just isn't the right size for my particular Botvac. So because of that, I gave it 3 stars, not because, oh, this is a perfect anything or this is a terrible anything, but because it looks like a good product, but I don't know because who they have it advertised to is the wrong consumer. So they need to fix their description of who can use this, and then maybe we'll get a little more direct, perfect information about how well they work. But as far as the product itself, it's nice. So I hope this review helped you. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I'll even try to measure it maybe and include it in some kind of on either end of this post, so that if you have the same situation, you can measure it instead of relying on the description from the manufacturer. Well, thank you very much for watching my review. My name is Kim Roble. Thank you.